Look at these ducks. They're too big for this little pen anymore. Alright, time to get you a new one. Okay, right now I moved them into a tote box, but this is very tiny space. I need to find a bigger box today. I thought I would have found one by now, but I haven't, so guess I gotta make it. Oh. Yeah, I am making this for the birds. Okay, Mandy Gann helped me brainstorm this solution. I got this old playpen that I was gonna throw away, and I lined it with one of those industrial grade trash bags that I happen to already own. And now I am lining the sides with cardboard and the bottom with cardboard that I got just from Clean Trash and from Sam's Club. I had enough cardboard to line the insides except for this spot right here, so I put the feeding bag in this corner. Now I'm going to fill it with the bedding and take the sides down and move the birds in. Alright, well, that is how I converted playpen into a bird pen. I mean, the word pen is already there. Why didn't I say it sooner? Do you like your birds? They're mommy's birds, aren't they? You love your birds?
One, two, three.
There's 5. Can you count to 5?
5.